just the unknown. So for me, I didn't know anything about property investing. I didn't know anything in regards to the process, or if you could trust the people, or, you know, if they had your best interests at heart. That was probably the biggest thing for me starting out. The first property that I went and bought with Pumped On Property, we initially got accepted for a first property. Ben went back and did a secondary inspection and came back to me and said, look, I'm sorry, I don't want to disappoint you, but this property isn't the right fit. So what happened was we passed in on that property and then we secured another property. So that showed me that they weren't there just to get money out of you, just to get the commission, just a cookie cutter approach. They actually cared about me as a client and, you know, the actual finding the right fit for me. I would say do your own research. Also sit down, have a chat with Ben and Simon and see if their strategy aligns with what you want out of life and if it aligns with your goals. So I'd say make the phone call, book in the appointment.
Whew, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Getting cool, bro. Yeah. Oh, sweaty. So sweaty. Oh, that's good. That's so nice. Oh.